beauties, welcome back to Wendy's World. I hope you're doing well during this really challenging time. So I want to show you something that I had to get, and I got it online. And the reason why I said had is because I'm so used to having nice, clean lines when it comes to my eyebrows. So I go to this wonderful woman that does my eyebrows for me, and she waxes them, and I love it. But unfortunately, we can't get to the salons now because of the pandemic. So using this tool for the eyebrows just isn't good enough. So I went online and I went to Amazon and I found this product, and I absolutely love it, and I want to show it to you in case you're thinking just the same thing, that you want to get your eyebrows nicely and professionally done. So this is called the Dissafa Eyebrow Trimmer, and it is electric in that all that you need to do is put a AA battery into the socket, and then you can start trimming your eyebrows painlessly. And I'm going to demonstrate it in a second. So my mistake, it's actually a AAA battery. So you just put it in like this and put the top on, and there you go. So it sounds more menacing than it actually is. It's super, super gentle. You actually don't feel it. So I used this a few weeks ago, so I waited until my eyebrows grew in so that I can demonstrate it to you. So you have to be very, very careful with this. So what I would suggest you do is, demonstrate it on yourself, on maybe your arm, and you can see how you will manipulate this, okay? So looking at the head itself, the blades would be inside, and like I said, it's very gentle and it doesn't hurt at all. So in fact, not only am I doing my eyebrows, but I also did here on the side here on my face, and you can see it's really super, super smooth and looks beautiful. Instead of having those sideburns, I now have really smooth looking skin. And you can also look up here. All that baby fine hair that I had is now gone. And again, it's only been a few weeks. I was afraid it would grow on really hard, like really hard hair, but it actually hasn't. So now in terms of the eyebrows itself, I'm going to try to come in close so you can see. All right. So like I said, I suggest you practice with this, and it's not easy for me to do this, but I'm going to do the best that I can. Now, what you do is follow the line which your esthetician would have done for you. And it has a little light, and you can see there's a little light here. And just go along and do little strokes and be very careful with it. Now, as you can see, what I've done here is I am holding this in place. Instead of doing it like freehand, I'm actually putting my finger down so I don't go off and, chop off some parts that I don't want chopped off. Okay, now I'm going to do this more carefully in a bit, and I'll show you the end results. Actually, you know what? I think I'm going to demonstrate a little bit more for you so that you can see how this wonderful little gadget works. So remember I said I was shaving a little here, and very gentle, just these terrible unwanted hairs. And then you end up putting on your makeup, and your makeup looks a lot smoother and definitely more professional. Okay. I mean, I don't really have a lot of hair, but I wanted to show to you what it's like. Okay, so I'm going to just do here, in the center. All right. And I'm going to go in under here. And I'm going to do a little bit more, but I'm going to do it off camera. So there you have it. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? I mean, what you're going to end up doing is you're going to end up saving a whole hell of a lot of money if you buy a little gadget like this. It actually only cost me, I'm going to look at the bill, it was $21.79 US, which converted to Canadian is $31.88. It only took me, I guess it only took about 6 weeks to receive this. I know it's a little tricky right now because of the pandemic, but I highly recommend you go and get something like this. You don't have to get this particular one, but go and get one and you're going to save yourself a lot of money. And I hope this really helped you, and I'll see you next time on my next tutorial. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye for now.